Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the chroma key button. Now, I'm doing this video because on my old green screen tutorials, the chroma key button was just there, but now it's in another button. So I'm just going to open up this random video, for instance, and I'm going to select the video. And I cannot find the chroma key here, and it used to be in this tab somewhere, but now it's in cutout and then it's in chroma key, and that's where the chroma key button is. It's mainly for like green screen, but I'm just going to test it out on this video. But that is where the chroma key button is. So again, if you missed it, select the video, cut out, and then chroma key, and that's where the button is. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!